how to get insights in your Performance Max campaign. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up icon so we can let the algorithms know and I can create more awesome content. Let's go dive into a live Performance Max account. I'm going to walk you through that Insights tab and each of those components, and I'll explain what each of them mean. Let's go. So here I am in a Performance Max campaign. I've clicked in it and I've gone to the Insights tab on the left, which brings me to the Insights section within my Performance Max campaign. Now, the data that I'm looking at here is by default the last 7 days, and the only option you have to look at is the last 7 days or the last 28 days. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording at least, you can't do a longer time frame and you can't really customize it for the last 14 days if you want it. So I've just selected the last 28 days, and then we can see some of this sort of month over month view of performance data. We can see that the conversion values decreased by 76%. The costs have also gone down. The ROAS is 100, and let's say call it 113%, and the conversions have gone down. And obviously, I can see the chart here reflected as well. If I scroll down here, then it's going to tell me information about the search term categories that my ads have appeared against. And it's sort of categorized the search terms into these various categories. So if I click on this, and I don't really feel it gives me a huge amount of information. It tells me the search terms, tells me the conversion value, and the approximate search volume. If I click on view details, it's going to give me a little bit more information. I can load more search terms, and I can see, really, I guess I'm just having a look to see if the search terms look like a match for my product. But really, in terms of data, in terms of click-through rate, in terms of conversion rate, it doesn't kind of give me any of that information either. And if I scroll up here, and I can also see this kind of information as well. Okay. Unless you have a Google rep, then you also won't be able to add any negative keywords. So if you look here and see, oh my God, a search term that does not look right, and you want to add it as a negative, you are going to need a rep in order to be able to add the negative keyword. Obviously, I can show more rows here. So really, I guess it's just for your own knowledge to know what keywords your ads are showing for. And once again, as I said, you don't have any data associated to it. So I kind of think it's a little bit meaningless because I can't do anything with it. It then also tells me some information about my audiences based on the audience signals I've fed it. And it tells me the share of impressions and what percentage of the index this audience takes up. And once again, I don't get any insight into the data of it either. I don't have a sense of which audience has delivered the best results for me, which has the best conversion rate or anything like that. So, if I scroll down here, then it also tells me that how I've competed against some other advertisers, and I can have a look at my impression share compared to some other advertisers as well. So that is the Insights tab for your Performance Max. Obviously, this is going to change over time as more and more people roll out Performance Max campaigns. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe to Teach Traffic. Thanks for watching.